How a DMZ works. How a DMZ works. So if you look at this diagram, DMZ are intended to function as a sort of buffer zone between public internet and a private network. Deploying the DMZ between two firewalls means that all the inbound network packets are screened using the firewall or the other security appliances before they arrive at the server. They should be enough to block the most casual of the threat actor. It is better prepared threat actor. If a better prepared threat actor passes through the first firewall, they must then gain access to unauthorized access to those services before they can do any damage, and those systems are likely to be hardened against the attack. So this is how the DMZ works.